Office 365 has two plans, so you can choose the one that's right for you. Will you be sharing Office with someone? Even with two, Office 365 Home is the way to go, giving you both the best in Office across all your devices. Office 365 Home gives you the most value, letting you easily add up to 5 people at any time. Is it just you? Then there's Office 365 Personal. That's one person, up to 3 devices. So no matter which option you choose, each Office 365 plan includes 1 terabyte of OneDrive Cloud Storage per person. Enough space for over 300,000 of your photos. With Office 365, each person gets the same experience, like updates with new premium features for the apps that live on your computer. Be smart and save with Office 365 Home for up to 6 people, or Office 365 Personal just for you.